In recent times, the world has witnessed a significant leap in technological advancements, with AI leading the charge. This digital revolution, steered by artificial intelligence, has permeated various industries, revolutionizing processes and setting the stage for a future that's automated, efficient, and precise. Consider the healthcare sector. AI has transformed the way diagnoses and treatments are carried out, enhancing the accuracy of medical procedures while minimizing human error. It's not just about robotic surgeries or AI-driven diagnostic tools, it's about the potential to predict health issues before they become critical, improving patient outcomes and saving countless lives. Now let's shift gears to finance. AI has brought about a seismic shift here too, automating complex tasks and crunching enormous data sets in a blink. It's helping investors make informed decisions, spotting trends, predicting market movements, and even preventing fraudulent activities. The result? More accurate predictions, improved financial management, and enhanced security. The transportation industry is another area where AI has left an indelible mark. Autonomous vehicles, smart traffic management systems, predictive maintenance, these are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They're real, they're here, and they're making travel safer and more efficient for all of us. But it's not just these sectors. From retail to real estate, energy to entertainment, AI is reshaping the way we do business, the way we work, and even the way we live. As we witness this transformation, it's essential to remember that AI is more than just a technological tool. It's a game changer, a paradigm shifter that's altering the face of industries, and by extension, our society. It's creating opportunities, driving innovation, and challenging traditional norms. But it's also raising questions about job security, ethics, and the very nature of human-machine interaction. With AI being a game changer, it's imperative to understand how it's being received and perceived. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover how people across various industries perceive AI, their willingness to embrace it, and the factors that influence these attitudes. Stay tuned. A recent study delves into the user acceptance of AI, shedding light on the factors that influence this acceptance. This research doesn't just skim the surface, it goes deep, reviewing not one, not two, but 60 different studies on the topic, providing a comprehensive perspective that is as broad as it is deep. Imagine an academic mosaic, each study a piece of the overall picture. This research brings those pieces together, creating a broader understanding of how we, as users, embrace or resist artificial intelligence. It's like a detective piecing together clues, except these clues are psychosocial models and factors that sway our acceptance of AI. The key findings of the study are as intriguing as they are diverse. Perceived usefulness, for instance, was a significant predictor of user acceptance. In other words, if people see AI as beneficial, they're more likely to embrace it. Performance expectancy, or how well users think AI will meet their needs, also played a huge role. The better the expected performance, the higher the acceptance. Attitudes towards AI were another critical factor. Positive attitudes led to higher acceptance, while negative attitudes did the opposite. Trust, too, was an essential component. The more users trust AI, the more likely they are to accept it. And then there's effort expectancy, the belief about how easy or difficult it will be to use AI. The easier it's thought to be, the higher the acceptance. But not everything can be quantified or predicted. The study also acknowledges the human element. It points out that in some cultural scenarios, AI cannot replicate or replace the need for human contact. It's a reminder that while technology advances, there's a human touch, a warmth, a connection that AI, as sophisticated as it might be, cannot fully emulate. Interestingly, the study also points out that AI cannot replicate or replace the need for human contact in some cultural scenarios. The study's findings have vital implications for the future of AI. Diving into the core of these findings, we realize that our interaction with AI is greatly shaped by certain key factors. Let's break down these elements in a way that's easy for everyone to grasp. Firstly, perceived usefulness takes the lead. It refers to how a user perceives the benefits of using AI. If a user believes that AI can make their life easier, they are more likely to embrace it. For example, if a person believes that a smart home system can increase their comfort and convenience, they are more likely to install it. Following closely is performance expectancy. This is the degree to which a user believes that using AI will help them attain gains in performance. It's like thinking, if I use this AI-powered app, will it truly enhance my productivity? Our attitudes towards AI also play a significant role. If we have a positive mindset and see AI as a tool that can help us, we are more likely to use it. On the other hand, if we view AI with suspicion or fear, we might hesitate to incorporate it into our lives. Trust factors in as well. We need to trust that AI will function as expected without causing harm or inconvenience. If we don't trust the technology, we're probably going to steer clear. Lastly, we have effort expectancy. This is all about how easy it is to use AI. If it's too complicated or requires too much effort to understand, people might avoid it, no matter how useful or reliable it is. All these factors significantly and positively influence our intention, willingness, and use behavior of AI across multiple industries. But it's not all about the technology. Despite the many benefits of AI, it's intriguing to note that human contact still holds a unique place that AI hasn't been able to replace in certain cultures. The study also highlights another crucial aspect, the role of bias. Bias in this context can be likened to the spectacles through which we view artificial intelligence. It's the lens that colors our perceptions and shapes our attitudes towards AI, and it's often influenced by factors like job security and pre-existing knowledge. Let's delve a bit deeper into this. Imagine you're an employee in a sector that's being heavily impacted by AI. You've heard rumors about job losses due to automation, and you're worried about your own job security. This fear, this bias, could potentially make you more resistant to AI, even if it's designed to improve overall efficiency and productivity. On the other hand, consider a situation where you're already well-versed in AI technology. You understand its potential, its limitations, and its practical applications. This pre-existing knowledge, this bias, might make you more accepting of AI, more willing to use it, and more likely to see its benefits. Both these scenarios highlight how the role of bias can significantly influence our intentions to use AI. It's not just about the technology itself, but also about our individual perspectives and experiences with it. These factors, these biases, can either be barriers or bridges to AI acceptance. And it's not just about individual users. Bias can also permeate entire organizations and industries, shaping their approach towards AI adoption. An organization worried about job losses might be hesitant to adopt AI, while another that sees AI as a tool for growth may be more eager. These biases, no matter how subtle, can impact how we interact with AI, how we utilize it, and ultimately how we benefit from it. They can determine whether we see AI as an ally or an adversary, a tool for progress or a threat to our livelihoods. Understanding and addressing these biases is therefore essential if we want to fully leverage the potential of AI. It's a complex task, requiring ongoing dialogue, education, and adjustment. But it's a task that's well worth the effort. The bias factor certainly adds another layer to the complex dynamics of AI acceptance. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed. We've delved into the rise of artificial intelligence across various industries and how it's revolutionizing our world. From healthcare to finance, entertainment to education, AI is making its presence felt, promising efficiency and precision unheard of in the human realm. We've also unpacked the findings of a comprehensive study that reviewed 60 studies on the acceptance of AI, providing us with a rich tapestry of insights into how we perceive and interact with these intelligent systems. It's clear that our acceptance of AI hinges on its perceived usefulness, our performance expectations, our attitudes towards it, our level of trust, and the ease with which we can use it. These factors significantly and positively influence our intentions, willingness, and behaviors when it comes to using AI. Yet we've also noted that AI isn't a panacea for all our needs. In some cultural contexts, the human touch is irreplaceable. The need for human contact and connection cannot be replicated or replaced by AI, reminding us that while AI is powerful, it's not a substitute for the richness of human interaction. We've also touched upon the role of bias in AI acceptance. Factors like job security and pre-existing knowledge can significantly influence our intentions to use AI. Bias in AI acceptance is a fascinating area that warrants further investigation, as it could play a critical role in shaping how we embrace or resist AI in the future. In the grand scheme of things, understanding AI acceptance helps us navigate the future of AI, ensuring its smooth integration into our systems. As we continue to explore and engage with AI, let's remember to approach it with a balanced perspective, recognizing its potential benefits as well as the challenges it poses. Because, after all, the future of AI is in our hands. Enjoyed your journey into the AI Future Hub? Support us by click subscribe, hit like, share it around. Keep the future at your fingertips. Loop in, don't miss out.